Hey, welcome back. This is Kevin from Herder with another video on board builds and how we can make your to-do list a lot more better versus having to write things down on sticky notes or dry erase boards. And this also gives you the ability to have something on the go with you no matter where you're at. So if you sign up for Herder, you get one free board, and when you first sign in, that board will be filled out, so you can go ahead and edit or remove a lot of the things that's there. But if you're someone who wants a free personalized to-do list, go ahead and follow along here. So if you have the paid plan, you can get multiple boards. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new board here called To-Do List. And when you create that, it's going to be dropped outside of a folder. So if you want to create a folder, you can click on this icon here, and it'll just have you type in what you want to call that folder, and then you can also go ahead and drag that into that. So let's go ahead and go to our board that's empty here. So first thing I'm going to do is create my list here. So I want to have a to-do list, and then I want to have a doing, and then done. So now that we have those set up, first thing we're going to just start doing is adding some cards. So these cards could be meetings, things for your kids, or whatever you kind of want to add to that list. So let's put like grocery shopping, and we'll add one called meetings, or let's say kids field trip. Then we'll add doctor's appointment. So we got three things here. So now for grocery shopping, we can go in into that, and we can add some different tasks for that. So we can say, we want to get some juice, some milk, and let's just say some, something random, cheese. The other great thing about this task list is you can do subtasks. So let's say you wanted to, make a meatloaf. And then under that, you want to add some subtasks around what's needed for that meatloaf. So let's say, we need some ground beef, uh, ground beef. We need some, I don't know, whatever you make meatloaf with, eggs, barbecue sauce or ketchup or whatever you use to put on top of yours, and just whatever else. So now you can expand that or minimize it. Let me hit stop adding here. So if you want to add another one, you can click on that. And then if you're done, just click there. So as you're finishing with these, you can go ahead and check these off as you're in the store. You can also add some due dates to this. So let's say we want to get our grocery shopping in by Friday. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump off that. We got the kids field trip. Going to be going to the zoo. And I will be one of the parents going with the students. And we're going to hit save. And that's going to be on Thursday. Actually, just move that a week out. I'm putting dates on this because I want to show you as well here what this will do for you. So, and then we got a doctor's appointment at the end of the month. Let's go yearly exam. So we'll save that. And then you can also, if you have other people you want to share this board with, you can then go to members and you can invite other users to this board. So that way they can add and adjust things as well. And then you can start to assign um, people to the board depending on who you invite. So now that I got those people added, let's say grocery shopping is what we're going to be doing soon. And then on the calendar view, we'll start to see, okay, what's needing to be done for the week. And if we want to look at that for the month here, let's go back here for the month. So we got our week and then our month. So as the items get into the doing or done status, they will start to change green or different colors based on their status. So if you right click in this section here, we're actually clicking in that section, you can change some of the different statuses. Most of the time, you can kind of keep those how they are. So then as you start to move different things across, these will start to go to different colors. So once I move my grocery shopping to the done phase, we'll see that change to green. And again, that's it. So that's just real something simple to get you going if you're wanting to create this as a to-do list, and you can, share with other family members or other people on your team just to make things a lot easier versus having to write things down on a sticky note, or a dry erase board. And also being able to pull this up on your phone, no matter where you are, will make things a lot easier. If you have any questions, give us a shout down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Again, thanks for tuning in and hope to see you next time.